Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and right now you're seeing this, because, I don't know, it doesn't matter. So, right here I have my Unity, right? I've been working on this thing for a while, maybe since what? Well, I edited it last modified 15 minutes ago. So, and the last thing I made was this, so, if I put this back up, so here, it's gonna start loading. So, while it's loading, this game, one second. This game I've been working on for about a month or two, and um, it's just taken a while to make, but it has the things it needs to for it to be a game. So let me this and hop on Unity. So we have this, this, we have all this stuff. I'm making a blacksmithing system right now, but my models are trash and I'm bad at Blender, which is what I use. And if you haven't seen Avatar: The Last Airbender, well, that sucks. You should watch it. Um, it's just a good show about people that can use powers and elements. Right now, I have fire out. I've made some air and um, right here, but you can't really use it. And I have the air scooter on right now, and that's what I'm channeling it into. So right now, you can see what my arm is doing. It's pointing to there. So if I change, it's still pointing that way. So it rotates to it. The closer I get, it even rotates rotation. The closer I get, the more rotated it gets. So I'm charging up lightning right now. If I use said lightning, it takes lightning from the charged forge, and I can use the lightning. As you can see, it's shooting out of both sides, and then I charge it again, and then it's recharging the lightning, and I can shoot it again. Um, so with this, you can attack. Just this puts health down really quick because it's using a bunch of. Because every time it hits something, it takes away health, and these dummies only have 50 health. So if I oops, it gets it all instantly. As you can see, that's always my health bar. That's a glitch right now. And I'm done charging. It's still using there, and then it kills it instantly. I think E over there is broken. I got a error there. It's down there somewhere. I don't know why that's happening. I'm just gonna charge this again and light it. Well, that's broken too. Usually this would light, but it's not. So the UI is about right here, and as you can see, there's a little that in the middle. So right now I'm stuck on basically using other elements because when I press E, right, it's giving me that error because it looks like I'm trying to pick up the thing. But if I go here, main camera, item holder, and then fire bending, air bending, it shows up here. One second. Then it highlights this because it now use the check. If I uncheck that, it goes away, and then I can change to firebending. Um, so these are the arms; they're always on. But here, but yeah. Um, here and here are the two moves. So I'm gonna show you those. Combustion bending, I'm having a little trouble with. I just can't seem to get it to work. I don't know why. And then there's fire blast and the fire effect. So this said fire effect is not trying to check. What? Oh, it's not checked. Right. So in fact, if I press play, it shoots this out, and when I click, it disconnects from my arm. And all I have to do to make that happen is I just have to pop into fire bending, and then it'll let me use that instead of lightning bending. But I asked if anyone knows. I'll let you take a look at my script 1 second. Um, my boy Bracky, my man, he kind of stopped doing YouTube for a bit. I mean, for a while. He actually just quit YouTube, like I think 2 months ago. About. So let me fire bending type here. So as you can see, there's all these, and there's if I press E while on firebending, it will change it. It will set active. This is the set active check. If I get rid of that, it doesn't show, and if I click it, it shows. Explosion beam, I just have to check this. And I think it seemed to get this to work. I don't know why. What? It's not letting me. Hmm, no idea. Because I'm pressing check, but it's just not wanting to check. Okay, go back here. Here. So this is the set active. If any programmers are out there watching this, then if you can help me, please. Because it's supposed to set active. Let's just look at my script. See how it works. If input doc get key down, meaning I press E, then if bending type um is equal to or um less less than, I don't math. Um, less than or greater than. Trent equal to less than. I'm just gonna say less than because there's the same thing and I don't remember. Transform. Wait. Yeah. Transform dot child count. So how many people are, how many objects are in here? As you can see, one, two, three. It will count those and put them into a variable. A variable can hold stuff like integers or numbers. Floats can be numbers or floats can be integers or strings mixed into one. And then there's a double, which are all of them. And then there's tons more, but I'm not going. And then there's a variable. You just applying variables, but you have to use it inside of a function, which are these. If input.xt, meaning on q, these are just it will change this number. It will change the number of this, which is usually at start set to 0. Look, I equals 0. Yeah. This means if it's on one, if it's on 0, the first number, it always starts at 0, not 1. Um, if it goes to 1, it means it will activate 1, meaning it will show the check instead of not showing the check. If you press E again and you go up and you go to the number, well, I was at 0. So if you go to the number 1, it will activate 1. 2, it will activate 2. 3, 4, 5, and it keeps on going forever. So I have no idea how this works. If there's any programmer watching this, I have no idea because I have all these scripts and I've been cooking for about 5 years and I still can't do this. I have no idea why. So if anyone can help me with that, and then that'd be great. So out, I have this here, my cursor. It basically traps my cursor in the middle and then turns my cursor into this. As you can see, if I press escape, 1 second. If I press escape, it'll let my cursor free. That's where I make the exit menu. And right there, it was showing this and this at the same time. That's buggy. This game is buggy in general. Don't judge me. So, so if anyone can help me out with making a health bar, I would love to see if anyone wants to like say in the comments any fixes or anything like that. That'd be great. And I'm pretty sure because it was these, it says these instead. Yeah, it's saying floor, floor, floor. What it's interacting with. It's not going to be saying it's interacting with the floor anymore. It's going to say It's a forge. Wait, what is it? I thought this was I saw it somewhere. A basic anvil here. Yeah. So basically that is my game. It's that's all I have right now. I've been working on it for a while, and that's all I have. Well, I have more than that, but it's in a whole different game that crashed and corrupted. I can show you that. 1 second. So the one that crashed and corrupted was called Gun Test. Actually, I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to save that for a different video. I have the other version for it, but that was before I had a lot of stuff. So it crashed and burned very quickly. But other than that, there's nothing else I've been working on. It's a perfect school. I'm been busy with that, and that's why I haven't been uploading very much. Um, so yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to, and see ya.